So I've been patiently waiting to list this property. The owners have been considering selling for some time, and they've just made the decision that now is the right time. So I'm very excited about that, and excited that they've gone through and refreshed the property too. So what that means is the new buyer can just simply move in and enjoy. What's there to not like about this property? From the outside, it's got that super cute cottage facade. There's 2 off-street parks. And it sits on 405 square metres of land in Paddington. The upstairs level comprises of a welcoming living space, a lovely kitchen, a super large master bedroom and bathroom. You then step down into a dining room which opens out onto a party-sized rear deck. Downstairs you've got some extra bedrooms and a study and a separate living space inside, and then outside you've got a second deck and an outdoor spa. This property is perfectly positioned in Paddington. It's literally a stone's throw from Latrobe and Gibbon Terrace. We're in Ithaca Creek State School catchment and also Kelvin Grove State College catchment.